Hello everyone, and welcome to my Indian Ringneck's food routine. So the first thing I do is take out the pellet bowl. I empty it out and give it a nice wash. I use this brand of pellets. It's my bird's favorite, and it doesn't have any weird sweeteners or colors which aren't good for birds. Next, I take the veggie bowl and water bowl and clean them. Depending on the day, I'll give Frey different veggies, or I'll cut something fresh. But today, I'm going to defrost some peas, carrots, and corn. I give him some clean water and a little bit of fruit, which today was blueberries. All that is left to do is put the bowls back in the cage. Frey really likes his blueberries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.